What if every product video you see could be your very own product promo? Same pacing, same mood, and same camera moves that is rebuilt by AI. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, so let me give you the things that you need to know, and then later on, I will show you how it actually works. So this platform is actually introduced as an AI-powered agent that is designed to transform viral short-form videos into high-converting product content. Now, the users just simply need to drop in a viral clip or paste a link, which I will show that to you in a bit. And the agent automatically analyzes the dialogue, the motion, and those transitions, the pacing, as well as the lighting of the video that you choose. And with a single generate action, guys, the system reconstructs the sequence while also seamlessly integrating the user's product, preserving the structure and the energy that made the original content perform well. Now, creators are drawn to the platform because it removes the traditional production barriers, and this is powered by Sora 2. It delivers the lifelike scenes with smooth, natural movement that actually closely resembles the real footage. And that is going to save you tons of money in producing those ads or those product promotions, because you don't need a whole lot of people. You don't need the staff. You don't need the lights man. You don't need the cameraman and all that. This is going to be helped by Sora 2. Now, there is no need for the cameras, the filming locations, or the complex editing softwares. Okay, no need for those super technical know-how or technical knowledge that you need for editing and all that. You can forget about it. Instead, marketers, sellers, and the content teams can rapidly capitalize on trends without the technical overhead, which makes it ideal for fast-moving social platforms. So if you are a startup businessman or entrepreneur, this is actually going to save you up on those initial overhead capitals, okay? Now, the key aha moment comes when the original viral video is played side by side with the original AI version. Now, the recreated clip closely mirrors the timing, the rhythm, and the visual flow of the source, while also intelligently swapping those props, the environment, or the characters with the user's product. Now, this comparison clearly demonstrates how trends can already be adopted rather than copied. So it keeps that content fresh and brand specific according to what you need. Now, workflow efficiency further strengthens the appeal, and everything happens within the platform. So from the trend discovery to the recreation and publishing, everything are fresh. Now, multiple versions can be saved for testing, and finished videos can be exported instantly for all the major short-form platforms, which also enables the rapid iteration and scaling of your marketing videos. Now, let me show you this, all right? So this is how it will look like. Let me just close this one out. So once you are logged in to TopView AI, this is what you're going to see. All right. Now you can upload the product image or the reference video and describe your idea. Now I found something in TikTok, which is this one. Okay, I'll just get and copy the link to that one and then put it here. So add image link. Once you have added the image link right there, okay, let me add and copy that there. Okay. So import, it's going to analyze the link. Now, don't worry, guys. It may take some time if this is your first time doing this. But for this one, it actually did this already. So you already have that, okay? And then when you click on apply, it will show you this. Now, you have the guided mode and you have the instant mode. So for this one, let me click on instant mode. Okay, now this may take time, okay, so just be patient because, it may take some like 5 to 10 minutes or so, and it will actually tell you what you need to do in case like it's more than 20 minutes and it's still not doing anything. So it is now summarizing the product information from the uploaded image to the preparation of the video generation. So as you can see, skincare routine elevation is what it actually analyzed, and it's now generating the skincare routine video. Okay, so right now, as you can see, it may take 3 to 10 minutes. Please wait. If it takes over 20 minutes, feedback us to reach support or try refreshing the page. Thanks for your patience. So those are the things that you need to do in case you get stuck in transit and nothing happens. So now it is generating the video. So let me actually fast forward because I also did that one earlier. Okay. So it is at this part right here, right? Now, once it's already done, it's going to generate that questionnaire. Okay, the product name, you could choose whatever product name you would like for that specific video. Okay, and then you also have other questionnaires to make sure that you have everything you need for that specific video. Now, you have the product description, you have all these, the video brief, core information, target audience, key selling points, and all those good stuff, guys. Okay, technical specification is vertical, 15 seconds. It will actually ask you if you would like the high quality video and how long you would like that to be. Okay, the video summary. And then once you have all that, you could confirm on the next step. So as you can see, you have the video ready. And once you have confirmed, so let me actually do this. All right, so it's playing now. As you can see, that is the model, right? So very, very well done. As you can see, everything that we need and what we like are all there. So as you can see, the video is ready, and if you're not satisfied, you could also put in a fresh prompt and let the agent regenerate. So again, guys, it's totally up to you. If it passes your criteria, then by all means, you can go ahead and proceed to the next one. So that very simple, guys. Yeah, I just put in the link to like the TikTok. The TikTok is the one that I use. So the TikTok viral video, I clicked on it, copied the link, put it in TopView, and then let it do its thing, and you will get whatever it is that you need. And then, again, you could regenerate it if it doesn't fit your criteria, right? So, guys, go ahead and check this one out. Link to this will be in the description of the video. So if you want to turn your viral moments into your own ads without shooting anything, try it yourself. Sign up, upload a clip, and see how fast this agent rebuilt it. So guys, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.